Ciao, buongiorno. My name is Peter Kalembasa, and I'm from Deerfield, Illinois. I'm studying economics at the University of Illinois, and I'm currently spending this semester studying food and culture at Gustolab in Rome.
Hi, my name is Samantha Contreras. I'm from Kankakee, Illinois. I study communications and Latino studies at the University of Illinois, but I'm currently studying food sustainability and culture at Gustolab in Rome.
Hello, I'm Taylor Beauseigneur, and I'm from Deerfield, Illinois. I'm studying advertising at the University of Illinois, and I'm currently spending the semester studying food and culture at Beauseigneur.
Ciao, my name is Michael Russo, and I'm from Bartlett, Illinois. I study finance at the University of Illinois, but this semester I'm here in Rome studying food and culture with the wonderful Gustolab International. Today, we are going to talk to you about how to make your study abroad experience more sustainable. What better way to learn about this than from study abroad students like ourselves? Specifically, we are going to focus on sustainable traveling. We will discuss sustainable ways to use public transportation, choose living accommodations, and plan your trips in a fun and eco-friendly way.
I'm going to focus on ways to make your study abroad experience more sustainable while traveling via living accommodations. One thing you can do while traveling is to stay in Airbnbs. This is good because you're able to cook your own meals and have less food waste. Also, according to a study conducted by Clean Tech Group, this study finds that Airbnb promotes a more efficient use of existing resources and is an environmentally sustainable way to travel. Traveling on Airbnbs results in significant reduction in energy and water use, greenhouse gas emission, waste, and encourages more sustainable practices among both hosts and guests. Another fun thing you can consider is staying in eco-friendly hostels. They're much more efficient than regular hostels. According to the Culturist, eco-friendly hostels use solar heating, recycling programs, and organic garbage, which makes them a great choice. There are a large range of green hostels all over the world to choose from. For example, Aveiro Rosio hostel in Portugal heats all of their water by the use of solar panels. Other hostels around the world do things like use non-toxic detergents, organic fair trade coffee, and provide bikes for guests. This is a fun, eco-friendly way to make your experience more sustainable while traveling.
Alrighty. Okay, I'm going to talk to you all about how to plan your trips in a fun and eco-friendly way. Whether you're taking a 4-hour plane ride or an hour-and-a-half train ride, there are always different ways to plan your trip sustainably. Pro tip number 1, don't be afraid to wear the same outfit twice. Many hostels, and it's fine. Many hostels and Airbnbs offer laundry services, but not only do you have to pay for it, you're also wasting a lot of water by putting a load in the washing machine. Instead, pack a single pair of pants to wear for the weekend and a few shirts, or sleep in the same shirt you wore that day. You can always shower in the morning.
It's fine.
It's fine. Pro tip number 2, if you are staying in a hotel, choose to hang up your towel after you use it rather than throwing it on the floor, so that way the cleaning service doesn't take it away to wash it. If you're just staying for the weekend, you can absolutely reuse your towel more than once. Additionally, pack your own travel-size containers for shampoo, conditioner, body wash, etc. It's always nice when you get free toiletries from the hotels, but imagine how many plastic bottles they go through around the world every single day, week, month, or year. According to myplasticfreelife.com, the luxury hotel Andalus stated that all guest amenities come in refillable, fixed dispenser bottles. This reduced the amount of plastic waste caused by the mini toiletry bottles drastically. Another easy way to be sustainable while traveling, and just in general, is using reusable water bottles wherever you go. Most major cities have drinking fountains all over the place that you can fill your water bottle up with cool and clean water. Just make sure that it's empty before you go through security at the airport, because they won't allow you to bring it through.
I'm going to talk to you about ways you can travel economically on planes. If you've ever been to an international airport, you've seen all the machinery and personnel needed to get jumbo jets off the ground. The airline industry is inherently harmful to the environment, but there are airports and carriers who are taking steps to be more sustainable. I'm going to talk to you about ways you can fly green while studying abroad. A recent Seatmaestro Seatmaestro.com report on sustainable flying cites Air France and its subsidiary, KLM, as the most eco-friendly airline in Europe. This carrier is praised for its incredible reporting, strong commitment to biofuels and recycling, and carbon offsets. These may seem like minor details, but when you consider that Air France carried 46 million passengers in 2015, changes like these can make a real difference. Lufthansa, British Airways, and Ryanair, surprisingly, also made the list of eco-friendly airlines. In recent years, major airlines have been teaming up to operate flights where planes might not be full. It is a lot more sustainable to offer a joint operated flight that is full than two that are only half full. Pick the airlines who are doing this. As a traveler, you can make a difference too. Travel light and book far in advance. Every extra pound you travel with means extra fuel consumption. Also, if you have a choice in where you are flying out of, pick airports that have ultra low carbon footprints. The Green Sustainable Airports, or GSA, publishes an annual report about low emission airports. London Heathrow ranks well for its size. Munich Airport ranks best at noise abatement. Side note, O'Hare Airport uses goats to naturally trim the grass along the runways. And we are all very familiar with O'Hare Airport. Aviation might use a lot of natural resources, but picking the right airlines, airports, and packing light can help mitigate detriments to the environment.
Sorry, I'm good.
All right. When traveling,
I'm not good.
Alright. When traveling, many people focus their attention on their flights, such as what time is leaving, arriving, which airport they fly into, etc. However, many people forget to plan how they're getting to and from the airports. When they arrive at their destination, people usually just settle for taking a cab or an Uber. This is usually the more expensive and environmentally harmful option. Most airports offer trains, buses, or shuttles that conveniently take you to various places around your destination. For example, when I was in Prague, I opted to take a tram and then the metro to my Airbnb from the airport, while my friends decided to take an Uber. The Uber costs around $17 total, while the public transport, I only paid roughly $2. As you can see, public transport was much cheaper and helped to minimize my carbon footprint during the trip. It takes a bit more planning to successfully navigate public transport, but if you take a little bit of time to research these options, it will not only save you money, but it will also help save the planet. Nice. Additionally, once you arrive at your destination, you can look into different options of exploring in an environmentally friendly way. These methods include walking or biking. Many cities have bike rental programs that are inexpensive and very convenient because they're easily accessible and much faster than walking. If you do prefer to take things slow, however, walking can be a great way to explore a city as it can take you through different neighborhoods and allows you to see more than you would by just driving around. Walking and biking are also great ways to exercise.
Comment below any ways that you have lived sustainably while traveling, either abroad or back in the States for our people back home watching. Thank you.
Thanks for watching, guys.
Ciao.
Ciao, ciao.
How do I stop this? Oh, there it is.
And